Okay, 2008 PT Cruiser. We're going to be removing the timing belt. In this case, we're going to change the water pump out, so we're going to need to remove this back cover here. So what I did is I put a 19mm open end wrench. I put the bolt where the harmonic balancer goes, right down there. And then I loosen these bolts here that hold the the cams. And next, this idler pulley right here, I loosened that bolt up down there, which was a 13mm. Yeah, 13mm. And then you can put your 1/4 inch, there's a little square cutout on it, and you can put your 1/4 inch ratchet right into the cutout, and there's an arrow on there, and it shows counterclockwise. So I turn that, and the belt is loose now, and we'll be taking the belt off. I also note that I labeled each cam here, the left, the right, and then it's stamped on the outside that it's the front on the 2.4 liter. It's kind of hard to read. So we go ahead, we're going to pull our belt off, pull our cam gears off, and work on getting that back cover off. Okay, so we got the cam gears off, and those were 18mm bolts, and all you have to do is just wiggle them, and there's a pin here that holds the location. Just wiggle them back and forth, they'll work themselves off. And then I removed this idler pulley, looks like that, and that was a 17mm. Now I'm going to go ahead and take the little bolts out of the cover, and you can see one's right there. Those are 8mm, and they're throughout the cover, they're all over. You can see one right here, one down there. I'm going to go ahead and remove all those, and then we'll get this cover off. Okay, so I got the cover off, and there was two 13mm bolts here, and there was 4 8mm, one there, 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 and there. And they look like this here. And the 13mm, they look like that. So now that the cover's off, the head is exposed. On the side, I've got the adjustment pulley there. I'm going to replace the adjustment pulley, which is right there, and then the coolant pump, which is right there, and the idler pulley that we pulled off earlier. I'll be replacing all that, and